Let's start with a fact. We pass 99% of the Earth's surface, same for Mars. But we've only explored 26% of our own ocean floor. We know space better than our own seas. These waters host 80% of all life on Earth. Today, we dive into that life. Look at this school. Thousands of fish, none collide. Science has proven, when one fish turns, the message reaches the other end in 200 milliseconds, faster than a blink. Cells along their lateral lines read every vibration. They don't see, they feel the water. Meet Mola Mola, the ocean sunfish, the heaviest bony fish on Earth. Up to 2,300 kilograms, as much as a small car. It lays 300 million eggs at once, more than any vertebrate. Yet it's endangered. Why? They mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and swallow them. This is the manta ray. Wingspan up to 7 meters, the size of a small van. The incredible part, it has the largest brain-to-body ratio of any fish. The only fish to pass the mirror test, meaning it recognizes itself. A skill only humans, great apes, dolphins, and elephants share. Even more, mantas live up to 50 years and form long-term bonds between mother and calf. Don't think of them as just fish. They think, they feel, they remember. You see the manta on the reef because corals are its cleaning station. Small fish eat the parasites off its skin. It's called symbiosis. Two species using each other, both winning. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean, yet 25% of all marine life lives there. Drop a comment. What can we do to save the reefs? I'll pin the best answer, and hit subscribe, because in part 2, the creatures you'll see won't even look like they belong on this planet. Something is on the coral, but you can't see it, because it doesn't want to be seen. The octopus, the smartest invertebrate alive. 9 brains, 1 central, 8 in its arms. Each arm thinks independently. It has 3 hearts and blue blood. It changes color, texture, and shape in a second. Documented escaping sealed jars and opening locked doors. Right now, it might be watching you. A passage opens between coral cliffs. No one knows exactly what's inside. Every year, over 2,000 new marine species are discovered. Scientists estimate 91% of ocean life is still unnamed. Out of every 100 creatures, 91 are unknown to us. Maybe right now, hidden in these rocks, a species lives that science has never seen. Maybe a new antibiotic, a future cancer cure, lies in this coral. Nearly half of modern medicine comes from nature. Penicillin came from a fungus, the cancer drug Taxol from a tree, the painkiller Zaconotide from a sea snail. The ocean is an unopened pharmacy, but every dying coral takes a potential cure with it. Look at this one, the comb jelly. Despite the name, not a true jellyfish. 8 rows of microscopic hairs let it swim and refract light into rainbows. Not for attack, not for defense, just nature showing off. It has no brain, no heart, no nervous system. Yet it hunts, reproduces, escapes. Even more astonishing, it's one of the oldest animals on Earth. 500 million years in our oceans. 250 million years older than dinosaurs. Survived 5 mass extinctions. It may still be here long after we're gone. All of human history is 1 second in its lifetime. Next to it, we are newcomers on this planet. Recognize this one? The leafy sea dragon. Called a dragon, but it's a fish, a close cousin of the seahorse. With a twist, those leaf-shaped extensions aren't fins, pure camouflage. You'd swear it's seaweed, found only in southern Australian waters, nowhere else on Earth, and the male carries the eggs. The father is the one who gives birth. If those waters are polluted, this species disappears forever. A miracle trapped in one corner of the world. A red cloud blooms on the coral. Not a plant, an animal. The nudibranch, meaning naked gills. A sea slug, but without a shell. Over 3,000 species recorded, each a different color. Even more incredible, they absorb the venom of what they eat and use it for their own defense. Nature's most colorful chemists. And all of this, just the surface waters. The real darkness, the real strangeness begins much deeper. In part 2, we descend to the true depths. Stay with us.